ING the GOAT plus me the queen.
Turn off my non-copyright music, before we go to jail. Oh, virus. Don't listen to Dan. Dismiss. Don't listen to Dan. Useless. Useless. Ayo, people. Ayo, people. Sheesh, what a day. Oh yeah, TENX is slowly creeping up there, isn't it? Slowly creeping up. It's up 11.11. 11.11. TENX. Okay, let's see. I mean, that thing really consolidated like we wanted it to, kind of. La, 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 la. Fourth, BTC, please. BTC, please. Bitcoin is still at 61,600, 61.7. I'll pull it up in a second here. I'll pull it up now, actually. Bitcoin looks good. Don't really think there's anything to worry about for now. Pull up a better looking time frame, like the 5-minute or something. Wait till loads. Apple's trash. Apple's been struggling. Market's all-time highs. Apple no do nothing. Anyways, yeah, no, Bitcoin. Obviously, we hit those highs of 64. Right, high of 64, and then today we've been getting some lower highs and lower highs and lower highs, tailoring tips and tricks. So that's our next resistance. I'm not quite sure what your question is. If you have a position, if you for now it looks like the last, so a few hours ago, I say a few hours but not hours, we dipped all the way. Actually, is that 60? Yeah, that's 60ish right there. And then we kind of bounce above 60 again. So 60 is holding for now. So we can stay above 60. That's good. Alrighty. Alrighty. Okay, moving on. Why do you need it to go to 63? That's what I mean by, like, I don't know what your question is. Like, are you holding a position you need to sell at 63? Are you looking for an entry? I'm not sure, right? So SIDU, what a call, guys. What a call, Pablo. What a call. Pablo is a legend. A legend. What a call for SIDU. My goodness. You need to sell at 63? Okay. Well, also pick a minimum take profit level tailoring. So if we don't go to 62, but I'm not willing to take less than 60, if we have a minimum take profit. So you're not like, oh, but I'm waiting for 63, but it's at 49. I wanted to sell at 63, so have levels on both sides. Levels, please. Alrighty. 180. Mera CEOs on Fox. Oh, that's cool. Hopefully, yeah, they say something good. Don't forget to smash a like again, guys, for the second time. I know. And all the other fun things. Smash the like. Okay, we'll give it a second, and then we'll talk about these stonks. And then Wait, what? Where is that funny? Yep, yep. Na, 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 na. 20 more shares. Okay, 20 more shares. Anybody holding anything into the end of the day? Any stonks? Any swings? Any holds into the close? Any company dropping earnings after hours that we should be looking at? Let me look at the calendar. So today's Thursday. So SOUN is a big one, right? SOUN. How did I forget about SOUN actually? ITEX has done well today too. Um, keep looking at the calendar. I'm just looking at the charts. So SOUN reports earnings. I just need to quickly. Okay, perfect. Anyways, yeah. So SOUN reports today after as soon as the market closes, and then we have SOUN. Earnings. Okay. I'm just editing the stream here because I completely forgot about SOUN earnings. Completely forgot about those earnings. Anyways, yeah. So SOUN report, Zscaler report. I think Mark is playing with that thing, and then the few more names that we don't really care about. But I think SOUN is going to be number one on the list to look at. You know, 10,000 shares of Mullen. Love the day 7 fun. Ooh wee! Oh my goodness! Look at fun, guys. Fun is so much fun. Yup, yup. Now what we need is an offering tonight, and then open at $3 tomorrow, 350. Sell up to $3, and then just sit there for the rest of the day. Consolidate. Monday, sit there all day, and then into the close, pop from $3 and then $20. You know, if I could write a script, that's what I would. That's exactly what I want. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's it. You know? Anyways. Anyways. Easy days. The reason I say $3 for fun is because $3 is a sweet bottom, isn't it? So if I look at the daily, it obviously doesn't count because they've never been to $3 pre-split, right? So it says $3 because that's just a split price. Fun is technically going to all-time lows. Well, actually, maybe not. Well, it's close, pretty close. Anyways, so here we are, right? This $3, that $3 technically does it's $4 actually. That translates to all-time lows. Yeah, so $354. This would be the spot. 354. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. And then double bottoms. Oh my goodness! If that thing hit 350, I'm gonna buy it, and then it's gonna squeeze to $90, and then I'm gonna go on vacation, and then I'm gonna send Dan pictures of a barbecue, and then I'm gonna go to the DR with Pablo actually, um, and then I'll send Peter pictures of a casino, and then I'll send various pictures of me working out, without a shirt on the beach. And then I'll send more picture of the Lambo that I'm driving. I'm kidding, by the way. Uh, yes, might as well. Like easy days. Like what's so hard about this? Market makers, are you listening? And then you wake up. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let me go back. Let me go back to some of these other stonks before I get roasted. Before I get roasted. How much are you planning on buying? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You're living in fantasy land. Play Zach Morris. No thanks. No thanks. I just want to buy cookies, you know? That's all I want. Just cookies. That's it. Cookies make me happy, so not the type of cookie virus has though. Just to clarify. And really with your fake money. Uh-huh. How about you make your 60K of fake money? Rubbish. And leave my monies alone. Anyways, yeah, fun is finding a bit of a base at $7. We don't really care for now though. Yup. Another. I'm telling you, Joe. I'm out here. I'm Joe. You better start practicing, Joe. I'm gonna come find you and sit in the truck with you. You know, like come on, drive now. This is the Scout Mobile. There's a house on the back. Doesn't matter though. One hand on the wheel, eyes on the phone, please. Forget about the road. Let God take care of the rest. Oh my goodness. Two guys, one truck. Just monies. Oh my goodness. We would be all over the road. Oh my goodness. Lynn? Can you imagine? My goodness. The reason why this is funny is because not Dan, Joe makes thousands of dollars, okay? We're gonna need to report him to the FBI. He makes thousands of dollars while driving a truck with a house on the back. One hand on the wheel, one eye on the road, the other eye on the phone. One phone, one hand, two eyes, monies. So I'm gonna join him in that truck, you know. Oh my days. Hands free. Oh my goodness. Shifting 10 gears. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Just be safe, Joe. Be safe. And gas station food. He stops at the gas station to get snacks. And he's like, come on, let's get back on the road. Using his knees to drive. Oh my goodness. Whew. Wow. You can take it with you when you go. Nope. Unbelievable. Yeah, no, Joe's a gem, an animal. So keep crushing it, Joe. Keep crushing it. You want to know who's an animal and a beast as well? It's the Dominican King. Right. This is the second play that Pablo has called out already. Second play. This was the 27th. 2 days ago. 2 days ago. This thing was at $4. We call him the Dominican King. And then we can add some SPACs and some other things in there, you know. This is the second play now. This one only took 2 days to go up 100%. SIDU, gone skis. Right? What is it at now? Well, it's at $9.20 after dipping from $10. Well, I don't know what to tell you, but our community is pretty damn impressive. Pretty damn impressive. That's after taking Luna to the moon, you know? My goodness. Why didn't I enter? Because Pablo and I were waiting for 460, and then he got in without me. Pablo, oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm waiting for a date, you know, confirmation, SIDU date. And then Pablo is inside the building. Inside the building. Unbelievable. I'm gonna blame Pablo, because Pablo's gonna come back and roast me. So, anyways, you are getting stingy. I wanted the dates, Pablo. Anyways, well, at least you guys got in. So, yep, yep, yep. Anyways, Pablo made me monies on Luna, so that's all that matters. That's all that matters, You can't catch all of them, right? Right, 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 right. All we need now, Virgo, is for you to be the queen of options and hook us up with these option plays. Queen of options. Can you imagine, Virgo? Oof, my goodness. Just hook us up with these options, and then yes. We need a channel to list the callouts with dates as streamline comments, just tickers and dates. Katie, I don't know. That seems like a lot of work. Let's get Peter to do that, Katie. Peter, get to work. Let's go, Virgo. Come on. We need a Virgo channel and a Pablo channel and Joe's snack channel. And yeah. Pablo, $3.50, please. No bouncing. Fun better not bounce. Stupid thing. Go down. Anyways, yeah, so SOUN reports earnings tonight, so that should be good. Damn pizza. Oof. My goodness. Wait, I want a channel too. Yeah, Virus, we can give you a channel too. Actually, you and Virgo can run the options channel. We just want entries, entries. Just send us these entries, and then we just FOMO. This is the Virus and Virgo corner. This is the way you go to make 200% every night. I like it. See, we're planning. Katie, bring snacks. Bring snacks, please. Dan is kicked out of options. Dan is kicked out of options. Why? Because Dan is in the futures channel now. In the futures channel. Rubbish. I better run and hide. Because Dan is coming for me. Oh my goodness. Good thing I don't live in the same country as Dan. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Can I get kicked out of everything? No, pizza. You go to the channel that you're consoling people. Don't worry, it's okay. It's okay. You're not the first one to come. Come on in. We need a corner because people are gonna lose monies, right? You need the consoling channel. This is the therapy channel. Hey, you lost money? That's okay. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Look at us laughs. See what I mean? Because you have experience? No, because you're nice and you're understanding and you care about people. That's it. That's it. It's true. That's what Dan does. He comes. It's like, look at these people. Okay, bye. The big channel. Peter, hold my beer. Show screenshots. Yep. So should we hold anything today? Uh, I mean, I don't really see anything that's so the only thing the last thing I posted was this one. So it seems to be doing well, right? Again, this one was posted in Trade Ideas, and it's slowly creeping up. So I don't know. This might be an after-hour run or something. 10x. We shall see. Alrighty. So all we wanted to see was a break above $4.50. It broke above $4.50. Right. That's so. Again, if you took that, congratulations. If you didn't, well, um, let's see what happens. Okay. 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 So we can watch this one into the close. See what it looks like at the end of the day. Mo, that's FPI. And got let's see if it stays above the 200 now, Pablo. That looks like a 200 demand zone, and a double bottom at $8.85. So let's see if it stays above. Yep. Yep. Anyways, yep. So watch that 200 there. If we can close those candles above. Anybody holding 10x in the chat? Anybody playing earnings? Anybody with some swings? Anything? By the way, this was a really nice run. It was a really nice run. This thing ran from $2 to $6, 640. Did we miss it though? Nope. Right, the board was right there. Right, the board was right there spamming. Hey guys, this thing is below $3. Hey, it's still below $3. Hey, it's still below $3. Hey, it's still below $3. Hey, and then it went to $6.40. So yeah, it went right. It really pumped. So again, if you're not a member yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know. Maybe you're waiting for like when Inception is, Anyways, anyways. La 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 la. Perfect. How many cookies have I had today? You got in, Lorenda? Monies. I haven't actually had any cookies. I haven't had anything like sweet. I had cereal, and then I had a granola bar. So, yep. So yeah. Ferris Bueller. Day off. Okay, I will. Next month I will. No, next month is the other one. Beverly Hills. That one first, and then other stuff. La 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 la. Now that you got Apple puts, decides to. You know, we might need to remove virus from the options channel. Virgo, okay. We need this. We need these calls, Virgo. Start hooking up with us with this fire. Hook us up with fire. Virus is not. Virus is giving us things at. Virus is giving us puts at the bottom. Oh my goodness, virus. Anyways, we have a new member. We have a Neo. Welcome back. Welcome. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. So put subscribe. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us. Alrighty, come join us in Discord. If you have any questions, please make sure you're asking. I know we're joking around, but that's because we joke around all the time. But if you have a question, please make sure you ask. So yep. And honestly, nothing is going crazy, right? So yeah, nothing is going crazy. I don't know. I think the last time I DM'd him was, I don't know, a few months ago, and he was doing fine. And then he was busy with work. He had a new job and some other stuff. But yeah. Dala, uh, la, la, la. He's in a arrest and beating up people. How watch? It really means I'll never watch. No, I actually do want to watch it, Pablo. I was close to watching it once already. I was close to watching it once, and then I watched Bad Boys instead. So it was between Bad Boys and Beverly Hills. So it's close. It's right there on the screen, deciding which one to go with. It's like, okay, Bad Boys in 2 minutes. No, no. As long as yeah, IDEX has done really well actually. Oh, get Kodak out of there, Vance. Rubbish. Rubbish. Bitcoin still looks okay. It's slowly creeping up, 62, 180. So yeah, it looks nice. So that 60 at the bottom for BTC has been a nice base. So for those of you guys holding all these other names, as long as it stays above it, right? IDEX has been having these pumps. So 170 is the high for the day. 172. That's not too bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. LA, I see. Yeah, I remember when that thing went from $2 to like I don't know the high teens, Pablo, and then came back down all the way to the abyss. My goodness. Anyways, that thing needs to clear $1.50 and consolidate. 150 and consolidate. SIDU is still holding that 200 in the demand zone, so that's good. If it could go up this level, that would be perfect. That would be perfect. Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Back again. I don't know if that's how it goes, but hey, yo, Rob.
Close enough.
Rob has been cooking magic, guys. He's been making magic. He's been on the ones and twos. He's been doing the things. He's trying to make magic happen. So
Yep.
magic coming.
Finally, I
So
think.
speaking of the goats community, it's coming. Anyways, how are you, Rob? How's your day?
Good. It was
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Have you just been busy working or you're scalping stuff?
I did some trading and I did my I got that other 150 account, so I'm trying to get that up. Um, I used the the beta, the prototype that I have of the bot just to following it,
Yeah.
and it's
Ah.
pretty good. It's
Yeah.
been
Okay.
pretty good. Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
I even traded on the 30-second chart, believe it or not.
Okay. And it works? You scalped on the 30-second chart? Oh my goodness. Good thing Lynn is not here. Where's Joy?
Yeah.
Where's Joy? Yep. I will try this weekend. I will try to fix it. I need to go and remove one of those the bot in the soccer channel, Rob, and edit like the settings so it doesn't give us too many all
What
of those
happened to it?
games. It's working, but it just has like alerts that people don't care about. So I need to edit the alerts themselves.
On the soccer channel?
Yeah, the one in the soccer channel. So Pablo only wants the Premier League games and like Champions League, and he says there are too many alerts. Unbelievable, Pablo. Unbelievable. Anyways, SIDU is bouncing off the bottom, which is good, right? So that 880 we keep talking about in the demand zone at the 200, bouncing. There it goes, 910. Woo! Come on. You know what? Fine. I want to go home.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Let's see. Yeah, no, Rob,
Dan,
I'm excited.
I like the Hakanashi candles on the 30-second, but it depends on the price action. And then I'm trying to, since I'm doing kernel crosses with the bot, and the moves are more violent in the NQ, it works out because usually if when the cross happens, it continues for a bit, so it's enough to scalp it, so been interesting.
Oh my goodness, look at this stock.
What's up, Mohammed? Everybody, yeah, I see everybody.
Wow.
You see, I can keep up. I don't know how Blaze does it. He keeps up with the chat, with charts, print screening, sending them to Discord. Like, oh my lord.
And then someone's gonna say, "Hey, how come you missed this play? How come you're not in this play?" Well, it's because.
Have you seen that picture that people show? That it says that some people that use their left brain or something, they see one color, and then the right brain sees another color. Have you seen that picture?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, it's crazy. Some people see like a turquoise or blue, and other people see pink. Is that real? Like, I don't know.
Huh? You have the picture?
It was on Instagram. I'll send it to you.
Okay, send it. Send it to me in Discord, then I can pull it up on stream. Has no brains. Left or right?
It says no.
Oh my goodness! Damn. That's how you can tell. Like we've gotten so the community has gotten so close because you guys are savage.
Yeah.
Savage. It's just empty.
Joe was like killing it. $5,000-$6,000 days, man.
Joe? Yeah, he is.
Yeah, I gotta ask, what is he doing exactly?
He's using both hands. That's what he's using.
Both sides of the brain.
Both sides of the brain, and then eyes, legs on the wheel. He's doing all of this while driving, which is wild.
Wait a minute, that's true.
Yep.
Because he does it from the mobile phone, right?
Yep.
I want to see how Joe and Dan. I got to see how you both trade.
Yep.
Because Dan, from what I've seen, you trade similar to like a forex trader. I think from what I've seen your pictures, I think you trade off of the one big candle. Like you see price action and then you bet on the next candle being, let's say, long, and you get in and then you get out. I think kind of like forex traders do, like,
Yeah.
I think, I don't know.
Yeah.
There's a couple of people I want to see their strategy because they're good. They're profitable. So.
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. Bet you Joe drives on the curb, like far right hand corner of the road, and he's riding the curb, and then he gets there to deliver the house, and they're like, "Hey, what happened to our house? The roof is gone, the side is gone." Joe's like, "Don't worry. This is business."
Yeah, I made money. I made 5K today. Don't worry.
You wanted a house? I brought your house. Unbelievable.
Peter. You jealous, Peter? I'm not asking your strategy.
Yep. Some monies. Yep. Kodak.
Does Best Buy have also earnings today, right?
I don't think so, actually. No, I don't think so.
I was just saying something on Bloomberg about Best Buy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let me pull up the calendar again here. So this
240 new stores.
Yeah. No, so no Bloom. No, so tomorrow morning is Plug, Fubo, and some other ones.
They're on Thursday next week. I think.
Oh, okay.
Okay, breaking news. Kodak explores tapping pension funds 1.2 billion surplus.
Hedge funds?
It says Kodak explores tapping pension funds 1.2 billion surplus. Tapping using the money they have in pension for their pension funds?
Okay.
I guess.
Interesting. Yeah, this company scams. The last time This dog made me sit on the floor and put my hands on my head. So
I mean, how do these, phones are basically taking over. Like phones are like not are the new cameras. Like, you barely. I
yeah,
mean, what else does Kodak do? I don't know.
I don't know what they do. And so I'm like, huh, what are they doing with hedge funds? Let's see what the website looks like. Wait,
Mhm.
what? I mean, those are cameras. Uh,
Inkjet printing.
yeah. I mean, at
I
least it
guess
looks.
more industrial type of, like.
Yeah, yeah. This is who supplies AMC. That's why they're pumping. The AMC keeps spending money at Kodak. They're going out of business, and AMC is spending money on
You guys
stupid
had
cameras.
me rolling yesterday in the stream when you were showing AMC. It was just going down. I never knew what happened with that. I just didn't care anymore. Like they just took away my shares. I had all these shares, and then all of a sudden, I have no ape. I have like 50% less shares than I had before, and I'm like, should I complain to like Weeble? And I said, you know what? I don't even care, man. I was like, I never spoke about that because I was almost embarrassed. I was like, what the hell? Like, how do you wake up in the morning and you don't have no more ape? Then, like, your shares are gone. You have like 50% less shares or something. I had like ridiculous. I'm like, how the hell I got? I'm like, oh my God.
Uh, Rob is like, you know what?
The biggest
I'm
scam.
feeling.
Like, I've never, that's like legally, like I'm watching Billions, right? And that
Yep,
doesn't even compare to what they do in Billions. That's
yep,
like wild. At least in Billions, they're making money. It's like
yep.
that's wild. I was like, what the hell? Like, where are my shares? And then I'm like, and then they said they had put this message. I think I wrote it to you in a DM. I said they said that I still have the shares, but I don't see anything, and I have a big ass negative in my where I got four-figure negative number there. I don't like it. I'm
Oh
like,
my goodness. Oh, that's funny.
imagine those people
Damn.
that had. I mean, I just had enough money I was willing to lose, but imagine those people that had like so much, out of
Yep,
pocket enormously.
yep,
That's wild.
yep.
Seriously.
Can you imagine someone stealing your money and you're like, you know what? I don't want it back.
Yeah, no, honestly, I said, you know what? I was this close. I was like, I'm gonna write to them. I'm gonna. I said, what the hell? It's AMC. I don't give a damn. I was like, forget it.
Yep, yep,
But I could have swore. I think they did something happened there. But
yep. Yeah, that's how Adam Aaron got paid 23 million, you know?
you got safe moon. Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Oh,
They
right
got to
now?
see something like that. Honestly,
Yeah.
they did that to me. It took 2 weeks to get my. Well, I haven't even got them back right now. So I complain? Should I fight for them then? Yeah, they still let me buy AMC shares. There was an issue with Apex Clearing. Well, I'm gonna have to talk to them then because yeah,
Yeah.
Apex is the clearinghouse for Bloomberg for Weevil.
Mhm.
Then I never got them back. So should I? What do you think, Blaze? Maybe it'll knock off one of those digits.
Yeah, maybe. You should. You should call. You should maybe call and ask.
Exactly,
And
then,
then,
right?
then you could
Yeah,
use that money for like a.
because if I don't say anything, then maybe they can do it again. Be like, this guy doesn't give a damn. Let's try it with something else.
Oh my goodness.
That's
We
why
just.
that's why I'm a derivatives trader. I'm just staying with my futures,
Yep. Yeah,
long
that's
term
true.
goals, and that's it. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's true.
But I'm
Man,
gonna I'm gonna fight it. I'm gonna just send them a message. They're gonna
you
be like,
should.
"Damn, it's been a year, bro. Now you're now
Yep.
it's been a year. Now you're complaining
And then you can use that money for a funded account or something, you know?
for a funded account.
Or
Maybe
like
I
a
could
bucket
buy
of
a
ice
sandwich.
cream.
Yeah, or probably a sandwich.
It sounds like is looking to scam prisoners or pensioners. Yeah,
Yeah, that's weird. That's
yeah,
weird. These
yeah,
these companies are just they're just like terrible, man.
yeah. Yep. I remember the last time they did that. It was when blockchain was the big deal, right? It's like everybody was trying to use blockchain. Like all these companies trying to integrate. That's when they came out and they said, "Oh, we're going to use blockchain." And then the stock rocketed to $20 and then straight back to the abyss.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they just do that to try to get
Yeah.
you know,
Like
get a
hype.
bit of a rally and
Yep. Yep. Which is crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, everything just seems to be a bit slow into the end. Slow into the end. Yeah, no, someone was asking earlier if, fun is a swing. Pablo answered your question already. This
give
is
me
a
the
really nice dip. It's a nice dip. We would want it to dip more. So, okay, okay. We want it to dip more, obviously. Stop it, Joe. Resist. Joe, there's 15 minutes left. You might as well not do anything. I have the power. There's 15 minutes left, so might as well. 4 billion of pension investments. Why is Kodak dealing with 4 billion in pension monies? Since when did Kodak do that? I thought they sold cameras, AMC bought cameras from them. Anyways, well, no, I say that because with the funded account, Dan, you're not allowed to trade past. You're not allowed to trade past 14 minutes from now. So you're not allowed to trade. Yeah. So 14 minutes from now, and then till 6 p.m. So yeah, that's why I say closed. What time? What time the candle stop moving? Yep. That's when you drive in a straight line. Let's see what else. What else? So anybody other than anybody playing sound offering sound offering sound earnings, exactly that. Anybody playing sound earnings? Lots of resistance at 750, but the offering. Yep. Yep. Exactly. Um, yeah. No, AI has done really well. Really, really well.
so you know that sorry. You know that doing this it's so interesting when you're uh when you're like trying to do this bot stuff because it's not emotional, right? So it's just trading and it's just getting out and getting in and getting out,
Mhm,
and it's so good because you could even have it has like I've gotten sometimes like 45-46% profitability on it, right?
mhm, mhm.
And it's still, but since the losses are so much lower than the gains,
Yeah.
you're still profitable like by a lot.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like let's say for an example, a net profit of look percent profitability 46%, right? That's a
Mhm,
net profit of 9,300 and a
mhm.
drawdown of only $500.
That's wild.
See that?
That's
And that's
wild.
the key. Like before, I wasn't really watching the drawdown much, but we got to, but now the drawdown is key, right? So the
Mhm.
drawdown has been really low.
Yeah.
You're just getting out. You're cutting the losses quick. The losers, and maybe that loser was gonna turn back around and and go your way, but
Yeah.
or just whatever, just get out, and then the profit target is like, what is it? So it's about 3 to 1. So 3 to 1. So that's good. It's been good.
That's perfect.
Same way that we have to learn how to trade. You
Yep.
know,
Yep.
we have to learn how to trade, cut that loss, and get back in again. With another trade and make that winner. If it's a
Yeah.
3 to 1, 2 to 1, you could lose.
Yep.
More times than you win, and you're still profitable.
Exactly.
You know.
Exactly. Yeah, no, that's very good. Peter's rubbing his hands. Rubbing his hands. Sounds interesting. You can tell Virus and Dan are ready for the market to close. Yeah. No, that's I think, let me see. Let's see. Interest rates are pushed down 4.2 billion assets 2022 the latest year that the company has disclosed. Wow, crazy. Crazy. I know, Dan. Let me go back to Kodak because Kodak is pumping again. Ooh,
It's pumping.
yeah, back to the highs. Back to the highs. It's not really closing above that double top, but so it's technically a scam, but still fighting. Fighting Kodak. Spies are 509. How the hell is that happening?
It was if I was watching that last night, I was doing that. Anything over 507, it was gonna. I was bullish on the market. Anything over, and that's exactly what it did. It went to 507 and it didn't go below it. That's
Yeah.
where like balance is. Like below that, it's gonna go lower. But 507 was a key number there.
Yeah, exactly. I know, Pablo, right? Just keep going down. Stupid thing.
It's
Let me
crazy.
pull up. Yeah. Yeah, the 15 looks nice, Pablo. Look at that. Look at the 15-minute. It's consolidating, but then failing at the 9, and then write it down lower, and then let me. Okay, that's just today. So the 15-minute on any other day doesn't really. Actually, it's the same thing. Yesterday was the same. Like as long as it writes the 15-minute 9, we're good to go. The day before that was the exact same thing, except well, actually that was the open. That was the split day, so that doesn't really count. So look at that. As long as the market is open, Kodak just writes. Well, not Kodak. We just write the damn thing down. End of the day, though. So
It's just creating a lower high.
yeah, yep. We're waiting for this thing to go to the abyss, Rob, so we can FOMO.
Really?
Yeah,
Biden EPA narrows power plant rule to head off future repeal.
so we can FOMO. Na, 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 na. The lows are 713. Okay,
That bot you put of news in the futures trading, I like it a lot, Blaze. It's good.
dude. Okay, good. That's
It's really
sweet.
good. It's
Okay,
really
good.
good. I mean, it gives just the right like right news for futures. Like for our channel,
Yeah, yeah.
and it's not a lot. They don't spam you a lot. Like
No,
right now, I just
exactly.
said that the Fed master says 3 rate cuts possible in 2024. So and
Okay.
there's a couple of Feds that are already saying it. Those are
Mhm.
that are good to know.
Yeah, exactly.
That sometimes affect the market. Sometimes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just didn't want like spams, As long
Yeah,
as
no,
it
I think
doesn't.
it's good. It's not spamming at all.
Yeah,
And I've seen some news come in, and I've seen the market, like rally or run, and
yeah,
you could tell it was because of that news that just came out.
yeah. Okay, good,
It was
good.
good. It was good.
Yeah, Yes, please.
Can you put also like oil? Is crude oil and all that can be there too, or no?
I think so. Yeah, I think it's like keywords, like code words.
Oh,
Like the
really?
Fed. Yeah, like the Fed, like rate cuts. So you get to pick out these keywords, like
Oh,
like
I didn't know
war,
that.
and attack. It's really interesting. It's really
Wow,
interesting. Yeah. So and then it will give you like news if it's relating to that. If it thinks it's going to affect the market.
that is really good.
Yeah.
It would be good if you can add crude oil because crude moves
Yeah.
on news all the time.
Okay. 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 Sounds good. Uh, Spamming to MLS. I will fix it this weekend, Pablo. I'll fix it this weekend. I'll remove it and then completely add it back. Says the guy who sends. No, but that's different though, Pablo. I don't want to. If stuff is spamming the futures channel, Rob is gonna come after me. Dan is gonna come after me. So I was
But you guys
invading.
don't like it? I haven't asked. I mean, that's just me. That's my opinion. I think it's pretty good. I don't think it's been too bad.
Yeah, yeah. I
Is
don't know.
it?
Yeah, Dan,
Screenshots.
what do you think?
He's talking about me.
No. That's me because
Oh,
I spam all the time. Spam, spam.
right. It's good, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Good. Yeah. Let's do it. Give him a hard time.
Yes. Oh wow! Look at Kodak. These guys are really scamming monies and going
Oh,
higher.
just listen 201, huh? Nice.
Yeah.
Good. Moving back up.
Yes. Impressive. Yeah, that was a nice little dip scheme.
Video.
450 and then back. Yeah.
Wow, this is
And pop. Uh, let's see.
Apple has gotten hammered, huh?
Yeah. It's a nice pop. Virus, this is not a screenshot. This is it's an idea. $5.50. That's not too bad. Ooh, fun is closing at the lows of the day. Ooh, that's nice. It's getting entered. Entered. Die fun. A spam jersey. Yeah. Well, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Let's go back to Kodak. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and fun stuff. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Already? Spam jersey, Joe? I don't know if I want that. Dang it. What am I doing? That news just come out?
Oh my god, my bad. What did I do?
Huh? Oh. HLTH. Let's see what this thing is doing. I bet you it's pumping. Of course it is. So stuff like that we need to pay attention to at the end of the day. Uh, so HLTH. So this might be an after hour play. We have 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. It's been interesting lately, Rob. As soon as the market closes, some of these patent stocks explode immediately, 100% after hours. So we're gonna have to watch this one as soon
Really?
as the market. Yeah. The float. It looks like a massive float stock, though. So maybe this one won't go as much, but man, I don't know. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Doo-doo-doo. See what happens then. 30 cents, 21%. 31%. La 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 la. It does.
Here's Doja.
Yeah. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last of market closed. And Rob gets alerts. SIDU announces public offering. Ooh, my days. SIDU just announced a public offering. Oh, Lord have mercy. These guys were ready immediately. These guys were ready as soon as the market closed. As soon as the market closed, they're like, "Yep, that's it. That's all we need." Wow. Oh my goodness. It actually looks like a nice tank top, you know? It's the slap video virus. Wow. Kodak is going after hours, 550, 560. What happened to the other one? Not really moving? No, it's not. Not really moving. Kodak is clearly taking over after hours. HUMA announces proposed public offering. DTIL announces public offering. Public offerings. Kodak Fire 580. 580. Bring that down. Yep. And it's going back down. It's back to red now. What's the other TL one doing? These things are no longer running anymore. I think it's because of the float. That thing has a massive float, so I think that's the issue. That's why it's not pumping after hours. Just no signs of life there. Whew. That was a nice day for fun though. A nice day for fun. Right announce one too. I don't know what they're waiting for. It's out there. Everybody knows it's coming. So I think they're just waiting for Bitcoin to go and pump and then do the halving maybe. Yeah, I think that's the problem, Yogi. I didn't even look. I didn't even look at the float initially. Oh, and then Sound reports earnings, guys. So Sound is going up, but my chart is frozen, Rob.
Whoa.
Oh, Sound is pumping. 770. So for those of you guys sounders, you're happy. Happy.
Autodesk.
Yeah.
Fourth quarter.
Sound AI. You see any headlines, Rob?
Autodesk just reported earnings, fourth quarter. Adjusted EPS. They beat earnings too.
Okay. Those guys ever miss?
Oh, let me check my AI
Okay.
invest.
Hmm. GD. Interesting. STI is also pumping. Here for SOUN. Let's go Red Sea. Yeah, just waiting for those earnings to come out. I'm not sure if there's a specific time because I never really checked. So, but when they come out, we're gonna know. We're gonna know that they had earnings. So just waiting for now. It looks good though. You're switching. Are you swinging? RVSN Yogi? Yeah, see, that's what I mean. Like, that thing looks interesting, but for some reason it hasn't gone yet. La, 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 la. Swinging low floats. Yeah, that's terrible how it actually closed red today, Yogi.
ENVB. ENVB. I'm gonna send you this.
Okay. Soundy sound. Slapped? No, it's still there. It's because they haven't reported yet. Oh, virus ruined it. He ruined it. He said the word slapped, and we had the first red. Oh, wow, virus. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So I don't see the actual article yet, but I mean, looking at that, looks like they fluffed it. Looks like they fluffed it, you know. I'm just waiting for the article to show up here. Let me know if you see anything. S&P closed at all-time highs. Crazy.
I send you a link through DM.
DM Discord. Okay, I'll take a look.
HPEC's fiscal year. Hewlett Packard.
I mean, if you think about it, though, for sound like that's not the why did it drop after hours? Because it didn't offer.
So that.
No, someone asked me a question in Discord.
Okay.
Yeah, and I wish. Damn. You want me to pull this up on StreamRob?
No, I'm just giving it to you so you can watch it and keep an eye.
Ooh,
That's one of my favorite places to go, like where you get
okay, sounds good.
really good.
Okay. So sound. Does anybody see the actual sound earnings? Because I don't see them yet. No, no, no. It says beat. But then again, when you have some stuff running into earnings, there's always a good chance that even if you beat, it still goes down. Na, na, na.
Oh.
A lot of chaos. And honestly, that's not it's not out yet. Oh, and it dropped 9% without it being out. Yeah, I don't see anything. Thank you, Dan. Yeah. Yeah, so no earnings yet. Thank you. Falling like a what? Yeah, it's down 20%. You brother. That thing went to $6. It's actually back to 7 now, so it crashed a lot more than this. So yup. Again, SIDU went up 100 more than 100% from when it was called in Discord, right? So if you're holding it overnight, you're just greedy, and I don't know what you're waiting for because Pablo was out of that thing already, and he said, "Give me a crash, give me a crash." So the guy that is anyways, $4 to $10. That's a pretty good run. Don't hold stuff after hours if you're not sure. Kodak is just playing games here, but and then obviously we're waiting for sound. Sound, yeah, SIDU. La, 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 la. Okay, sound. Okay, they're out. So with 80%, so sound reports a quarter with 80% Q4 revenue growth to 17.1 million. So improved 80% year over year. So it looks like they beat earnings. But that's a very small. So I'm gonna have to pull up the whole thing though, so we can because it's going down for some. There's a reason why it's going down. Reason why it's going. They've missed something. Something. A reefer? No, not a mute. So here are the sound earnings. Booking backlog of 661 million. Wow. So that's a nice backlog. I can never understand why. I'm sure there's a reason for this. I can never understand why companies have a huge backlog and yet the stock struggles. Um, but anyways, we can come back to this. I just want to see what the stock is doing. It's crashing now. So um, when we dipped in the morning earlier today, we had that support at $6.60. So if this thing can stay above 616, then okay, cool. Right. Earlier today when we were talking about sound and it had that support at 660, right? This morning, right? So and then it played with it and then broke out and then went boom. So if we can stay above 660, that would be okay. 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 I just want to see what the reaction is because again, this is all that matters, and then we can go back and read that article if we need to. Exactly, Dan. Exactly. Again, this is why we when you're going into earnings, it doesn't matter how good something looks. You want to be very careful. You want to be very careful with earnings. It doesn't matter how much you like a company. You can still get NSAT, aka attack without Vaseline, right? So it's going back up now. So hopefully it stays above 660 and then goes right back up because this is not a massive drop, right? Not a huge drop. So we'll see.
Yeah, that 690, 680 area has been good support there. It's wicking in and just going right back up.
Exactly, Rob. So if it can stay above that level, that would be good. I bet you some people are buying the dipskis. Buying the dipskis. I mean, it's better than the SIDU minus 20% because you know it's not coming back. Not yet. Not yet. Someone is buying the 200 level on Sound. Yeah.
I saw here an interesting article saying interesting sound put and call options for April 12th. For some reason, there's like some
Yeah.
unusual type of, for that particular day. $9 strike price represents an approximate 32 premium to the current trade.
Like, pay these calls? Are you kidding me? We don't want to pay these calls. We don't want to pay these calls. Send it to the abyss. Dan, you're holding puts, aren't you? Oh my days. From what I am reading, and net losses still outweigh revenue choices. Well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this thing reacts as the night goes on. It still seems like it's digesting. Digesting sound. Anyways, okay, let me just quickly go through this article quick here. I mean, the CEO says, two main points here. We acquired SIM Q3, established SoundHound as the largest voice provider for restaurants. AI head of field, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. This was a breakthrough year in which SoundHound rapidly integrated powerfully. La, 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 la. We acquired la, 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 on pace. Okay, cool. I mean, that really isn't a forward-looking statement, is it? It's nice. So, 17 million, right? But then it's the losing monies that
See,
46 million increase, 47. Cool. And then this is kind of where 40. Huh. I mean, it looks like they're doing like again they're improving, which is a good thing, right? They're losing money, but not losing as much, and they have good business. So annual run rates 50% year over year,
they're
and then
interviewing AI C3 AI CEO on Bloomberg.
okay, huh? That's cool. Maybe the stock is gonna pump. Hmm. Interesting. Yep, still losing monies. Yeah, still losing monies. Yeah, that's not a whole lot of like. I think again, what the market is always looking for with these things is, yeah, I don't care what you're doing, but can you just tell us something about the future that gets us excited?
Forward looking, yeah, that's what they need.
Exactly, exactly. So when you come out and you're like, oh, we did so well this year, you sound like Adam Aaron. Like we did so well. Our pace, agility has put us ahead of the field when it comes to delivering real commercial value. What does that mean, though? That's not a whole lot of a forward-looking statement, is it? So
Yeah,
when
forward
Palant,
guidance has to be important.
yeah, exactly. That's not a whole lot for people to hold on to and say, oh, you know what? I'm holding this company tomorrow because the CEO said this. But hopefully, it finds its base and then goes right back up. That was written by a PR person. Yeah, the stock is not liking any of it. Not liking any of it. Yeah, $6.30, minus 14%. Minus 14. I mean, if I zoom out a little bit on the like on the daily chart, I just want to see a bigger time frame. All right, I just want to see where we could potentially dip to. Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, these levels are way too low. $4 is way too low of a level to be looking at. Way too low. Let me look at the 4 hour. Maybe a retest of the 200 there, Rob, gives us a double bottom. So just below $6 here. Right. So the low from yesterday on that candle is 590. So that could
So
be your next.
sorry,
Yeah. Oh no, I'm just pointing out like this candle right there.
that's the 50 MA there.
This one here, that's the 20,
The 20.
which the 20 and the kernel. So the kernel is right there too.
Mm.
Yeah.
It's
So
a
that was
strong up. That's why.
Yeah, exactly. This was a high. This was a high on Monday, 590. And then on Wednesday, we came back down to this 590 level for the retest. And then today, after hours, we tested 590 again and we bounced. We're kind of sitting there for now. So,
That's a good
um,
level place. Yep, really good level. Yep.
yeah. So we can maybe stay above 590. Even if we dip below, like just close these candles above, close the 4 hour candle above, you might still be okay. But the market for sure doesn't like any of it, though. Doesn't like any of it. Right? So it looks like we hit 590 exactly, exactly, and then bounce back to 620. So if you're holding the sound, right, watch 590. 590. KKK. Sound Hound. Sound Hound. Uh, yeah, it's bouncing off 590 for now. Hopefully it stays above it. Why we why no. Uh, and there goes your bounce. So 590 to 680. Ooh, that's a strong bounce, Rob. My goodness. It's a strong, strong bounce.
Watching that that the delta at the top,
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah.
that level there, a lot more buyers than sellers there.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Uh you're holding Red Sea? You got in at 168. What did you get in oh JL. Okay. That cat. Okay. I see. FSR to the abyss. That company is still around. I'm kidding. No, 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 no.
There it goes.
Yeah.
But I wanted to see that relative volume to see if we get more volume coming in or what.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
3 times the volume there.
Oh, yeah.
Try it out. It's losing steam. Man.
Yeah. I'm so sure. Here we go. Delisting? I don't know. 32 unhalted. That's Peter's. That's the other one.
That's Fisker, right? No.
Yeah. 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 Yes. FSR.
All these electric vehicles, they can't hold on. Even Apple, so Apple just they killed their
Yeah.
rumors that people were rumoring, or they wanted to see if Apple just buys one of these electric
Yeah.
car companies, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Who would they buy though? All these companies just seem
I mean,
overvalued.
yeah, who would like what, like Lucid maybe.
Yeah, Lucid would be like the closest thing to what Apple would want. All the other ones look like rubbish. Lucid
I
looks
think
amazing.
Lucid had their new Apple CarPlay display and everything. I think in the
Yeah,
car.
yeah. I think Lucid has a lot of investments to us, so I don't know if they would ever sell it. I don't know if they would ever sell it. For all EVs, yeah, it just seems like a very competitive market. Better off just fixing, getting into AI instead. Yeah, yeah. Lucid has a lot of big monies. I don't know if Apple would be able to spend that much money. Maybe if Lucid goes to like $1, or like 50 cents, and then Apple could swoop in.
That
World.
179 level for Apple has me kind of like itching to buy some.
Yeah. Yep. You should.
Yeah, because at any moment they're gonna mention something good and it's just gonna take off.
Yeah. Yep. Damn. Loose. SIDU is now 30%.
I'm
Thirty
doing the
percent. Yeah. My goodness, you can't really hold on to these stocks. You have to make your money and run.
You do,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think that's what we've learned in the last couple years, right, Blaze? Like,
Yeah.
where like since I've been here with you and like before we would be, but then we kind of like learned we just got to make our money and run and just get back
Yep.
in again later.
Exactly. These things will scam you so quickly. All of these companies. Doesn't matter how much you like them, they scam you. Volvo just dumped Polestar. Really, Trevor? Oh wow. But I thought like they gave them more money, Polestar. Because I saw something not too long ago. That Volvo. I think this might have been a few months ago though. They gave them more money for like $1 billion or something for these convertible notes, right? For PSNY or whatever the whatever the ticker symbol is. Hi
You know,
Chase.
you know what's what's interesting is that these companies are not innovative. You know,
Yeah.
like Tesla's the opposite. Like they're very innovative. They're like a
Yeah.
software company almost. So it's kind of like, you know,
Mhm.
but these car companies are not innovative. They just add like two or three things. They and then they charge for it every. They think it's like it's the same it's been for years, and they just like it's so hard for them to like
Yeah.
understand that it has to be like that.
Yeah. Exactly.
They gotta spend money.
Yeah. Lost 7 cents a share in the quarter on adjusted basis, a penny wider than street's estimates. Yeah, yeah. Filipino, I think yes, it's not a big loss, right? And they're improving. Like they're improving. It's way better than the last earnings for sure. I just think when you have a stock that like runs all day into earnings, and we Rob and I have talked about this so much on like one on these calls. When a stock runs into earnings, they're maybe pricing in any good news. So now you need to give them something better, because anything that goes wrong, it just goes back down. But like we said, let's see if we can stay above $5.90 for sound. Stay above 5.90. 5.90. Sound. Yep, exactly, Joe. Mullen. Mullen. I bet you Mullen steals business from somebody else. Well, maybe not. They only sell cars to one person. Maybe it's the other business. The other business. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Join us in Discord. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Come join us. Yeah, it looks like we're going back down. Initial pop of that support, but if people keep selling it, it might just keep going lower. Oh no.
Yeah, when I saw that daily chart, it was pretty pumped up.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's been running. Like we had that breakout from, yeah, Sound had a nice break. Oh look, yeah, look at that, right? Like look at that, Rob. I mean, like,
Yeah, it pumped a lot.
yep.
Makes sense, and it's still holding pretty good, if you ask me.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. This is just erasing one of these daily candles.
Yeah,
Erasing.
that actually is a good signal.
Yeah.
Could just be forming. It could just find balance up there and just rip higher then later.
Yep.
It's
Yep.
just filing a base.
Exactly. Yeah, if Nvidia keeps pumping, if AI keeps pumping, Sound is going to bounce back. That doesn't mean you should hold it though. You should have a plan, right? You should have a plan. For now, we're hoping that it stays above 590, but if it doesn't, then a lot of you guys are sitting in some really good gains. And if you weren't sure if you should be gambling on this, well, you shouldn't hold it into earnings, right? Earnings will always be a gamble. It doesn't matter what stock it is. It's always a gamble. You never know. Uh, if you will buy Sound now, when do you think? I mean, beach time. For now, we're hoping that it stays above 590. But in terms of when you should sell, that's completely up to you, right? That's so up to you. That is up to you. Was the earnings bad? I don't think the earnings was bad. You're in at five. We are here at five. Okay, at least you're green, and you're most likely gonna stay green at least for tonight, and then see what happens tomorrow. But the earnings was not bad. I just think again what we just talked about, right? When you pump into earnings, when you pump every single day into earnings, even if you would need to crush earnings to keep going.
Blaze, we're gonna get off like in a few.
Yeah.
Oh, so we can have a one-on-one with somebody real quick if you can.
Oh yeah. Okay, fire. Okay, sounds good. Alrighty, guys. Let us know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off. Um, yeah, the earnings haven't happened yet for Sound. It's right there. Earnings are right there. That's why the stock is dropping, right? It's done. It's done. It's done. It was down 20%. So it's reacting to the earnings. Uh, yeah, let us know any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord and go do some other things. Yeah, sounds good, Mo. See you in Discord. My thoughts. C4. Make sure you connect your thing to Discord. Rob, we have another Lynn, by the way. So Lynn
Another link?
2.0. Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah. Uh, so I'm in at 766. It shows buy signal. Is that a real long? Uh, I mean, you're nice and green, which is good. I don't see a buy signal here though. Even if you got a buy signal, I don't know how much I would trust this. Why? Because look at this, Lynn, right? Yeah,
There's no,
exactly.
and in the
Yeah,
supply zone there.
exactly.
You're
Right?
entering
Look,
the supply zone after a big pump. No.
exactly. Actually, this is maybe I should yeah, like Rob said, it's $11 and it's almost at the top. All time, well, 52-week highs, 1137. So you're pretty damn close to all time highs. Well, 52-week highs, right? Actually, all time highs. Nope, 52-week highs. So at this point, I would leave that thing alone. You're in already, anyways. You're in at $7.66. So for now, just watch it and make your decision tomorrow, maybe, or take some profits at the top, right? So I wouldn't be adding more to that position at this price. It's gone from, like, look at that thing. It's gone from like $1.24. My goodness, Rob, $1.24 all the way to $11. That's a
No.
pretty big run, right? So I would be
Crazy.
careful with any buy signals you get at this price. I would just enjoy your profits and then maybe think about scaling out at some point.
So,
Okay.
no, I would take profits definitely. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, Lynn. So watch that video in the Getting Started channel, and it's going to show you how to connect, and then you should be in. Ready? So, and if you have any issues, just send an email. Email is at the top there. But once you click the link I sent you earlier, you should be able to send me a DM, send Rob a DM, send, so if you're struggling, send me a DM. Okay? Virus,
Welcome, Lynn.
peace. Alrighty, y'all. Have a wonderful evening. Again, smash a like before you leave, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And we will catch you guys in Discord and or tomorrow. If you become a member after the stream is over, just send me an email at the top, and I'll send you an invite to join us in Discord. Enjoy the evening. Much love, Virus. Peace. Lynn, welcome. Neo, Kenny, beach time. Bye. Joe, much love. Bye.
Take care,
Dan,
yo.
gym. Go to the gym, Dan. No more cookies. Alrighty, y'all. Bye, guys.